All right, so I lost $85 today. Let me show y'all why. All right, first trade here we have 934 candle right here, pretty much right after market opens, and we had a retest for the downside off of this previous day. What's it? Previous day high line. Expected to go down to my zone that I have not too far under, and after this trade, we also had the retest of this trend line that I put for the downside as well. Other than this impulsive bullish candle, we had an impulsive selling candle right here. A little bit afterwards, coming down, better did the hit zone. When the trade didn't work out. Our next trade, we got in for calls at 9:53. Expecting it to go to our zone 2 levels above our entry, which was right here. Retest of this 5-minute high, as well as retest of this fair value gap that we have here off this 947 candle. Figuring that we closed pretty strongly from this downward trend line that I have on the 5-minute chart. Over here, I figured, hey, since we closed pretty strong and these candles are actually pretty strong, we might be continuing up. I already figured I had a kind of a bullish bias today, since when pre-market we were already heading up, so everything looked pretty good to continue up as well if we had a reason to. And following this consolidation, failure to continue past our last high, also making a lower high from this one to this one, our trade didn't work out either. So this one ended up going past the fair value gap and continuing straight down. And honestly, if you look at the 1 hour chart, we just dipped. One thing I feel like I should have looked out for a little bit more was this 5-minute chart. If I noticed that we had a retest of pre-market high and a liquidity sweep of this zone here from this candle of 950. You know, if we saw how the candles were reaction and price action get shot down like that and rejected off of this level, then we probably wouldn't have got in for calls, at least on our second trade. So highly unfortunate. First trade, you know, just didn't work out. But second trade, we probably could have avoided that loss, but it sucks. But it is what it is. Hopefully tomorrow it works out a little bit better for us. Decent enough loss that it is, but yeah, it's all right. We'll get it back. Keep moving.